Welcome to the Mind Shelf. Your mindset is the architect of your reality. It is the invisible lens through which you see the world, and it determines everything, from the opportunities you notice to the setbacks that break you. Most people treat their mindset as a fixed trait, but this is a mistake. It is a skill, and it can be trained. Today, we are not just sharing tips, we are installing a new operating system for your mind. These are the 30 foundational lessons that, once integrated, can fix your mindset forever. After each lesson, there will be a 5-second pause. This is your time to let the principle sink in and connect with its truth. Do not skip it. Let's begin the upgrade. Your mind is a garden. If you don't intentionally plant flowers, positive, constructive thoughts, weeds, negative, destructive thoughts will grow automatically. You don't see the world as it is. You see the world as you are. Your perception is a projection of your internal state. The stories you tell yourself about your life are more important than the facts of your life. Become a better storyteller. Feelings are not facts. Acknowledge your feelings, but do not let them be the sole commander of your decisions. Your brain is wired for survival, not happiness. It will always look for threats. Your job is to consciously look for opportunities. You cannot control what happens to you, but you have absolute control over the meaning you assign to what happens. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of the questions you ask yourself. What you focus on expands. If you focus on problems, you'll see more problems. If you focus on possibilities, you'll see more possibilities. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind your thoughts. This separation is the beginning of freedom. Your external world is a lagging indicator of your internal world. Fix your mind first, and your reality will follow. The obstacle is the way. The challenge you are facing is not blocking your path. It is your path to growth. Failure is not a person. It is an event. It is data. Learn from it without letting it define you. This too shall pass. This simple phrase strips both crisis and victory of their permanence, keeping you humble and resilient. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. Suffering comes from the story you attach to the pain. A mistake is only a mistake if you don't learn the lesson it was sent to teach you. You are not fragile like a teacup that breaks. You are anti-fragile like a muscle that grows stronger under stress. Don't seek a life with no problems. Seek the strength to solve better and more interesting problems. Blame is a prison. Taking ownership, even when it's not your fault, is the only way to reclaim your power to act. Worrying is like sitting in a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it gets you nowhere. The depth of your peace is determined by the speed at which you can let go of what you cannot control. The goal is not to be right. The goal is to get it right. Detach your ego from your opinions. Adopt the mindset of a student for life. The moment you think you know it all is the moment you stop growing. Seek evidence that you are wrong. It is the fastest way to find the truth. Saying "I don't know" is a sign of intelligence, not weakness. Your potential is irrelevant. Your results come from your habits. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. This is the only competition that matters. Criticism is a gift. It's free consulting on your blind spots. Instead of saying, "I can't do that," ask, "How can I do that?" Be more interested than interesting. Curiosity is the engine of a growth mindset. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. A 1% improvement every day leads to exponential results. A fixed mindset is a cage. A powerful mindset is a key. These 30 lessons are your key, but a key is useless until you turn it in the lock. The real work begins now. Choose one lesson that challenged you the most, one principle that you know will require conscious effort. Make that lesson your mantra for this week. Write it down, repeat it, live it. This is how you build a mindset that lasts forever. Thank you for doing this foundational work with us at the Mind Shelf. If this video helped lay a new foundation for your thinking, please like the video and subscribe for more transformative wisdom. The link is in the description. In the comments below, share the one lesson you are committing to install in your own mind. Until next time, build a mind that builds the life you want.